영어 동화 세상 리틀팍스.
Bird and Kip, a new neighbor. Episode 1, a perfect tree. Bird lived in a perfect tree.
I love my tree.
She said.
It's in a nice, quiet park. And I can see the ocean.
One day, Bird was sleeping. Boom! Bonk!
What made that sound?
Asked Bird. Bird looked up, but she didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep. Boom! Bonk!
Ouch!
Said Bird. Bird looked up again, but she still didn't see anything. Bird went back to sleep again. Crash! Bonk! Boom!
Acorns!
Cried Bird.
Where did these come from?
Bird looked up and saw a chipmunk.
Sorry.
Said the chipmunk.
Oh, that's okay.
Said Bird.
What are you doing with all these acorns?
I'm moving in.
Said the chipmunk.
You're moving in?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said the chipmunk.
I'm moving into this hole. My name is Kip. I'm your new neighbor.
Bird and Kip, a new neighbor. Episode 2, Bird's new neighbor. Bird did not like having a neighbor. Kip was loud, and he dropped acorns,
I need a break.
said Bird.
I think I'll go to the beach.
Bird walked in the sand. She dipped her toes in the water. She ate a snack.
I love the beach.
She said. Just then, Bird saw something. There was a big hawk in the sky,
Oh no!
said Bird.
That hawk will eat me!
Bird found a good place to hide. At last, the hawk was gone. Bird flew back home.
I saw a big hawk!
Said Bird.
Oh no,
Said Kip.
I don't like hawks. Where was it?
It was at the beach.
Said Bird.
Will it come here?
Asked Kip.
I don't think so.
Said Bird.
This tree is a very safe place.
Bird and Kip, a new neighbor. Episode 3, Acorn Gumbo. Bird heard something. It was coming from Kip's hole. Chop, chop, chop. Shloop, scrape, scrape,
What are you doing, Kip?
asked Bird.
I'm making acorn gumbo.
Said Kip. Then Bird smelled something. It was something that smelled very bad.
You are going to eat that?
Asked Bird.
No,
Said Kip.
we are going to eat it. You are invited to dinner tonight.
Kip, this doesn't smell good.
Said Bird.
It doesn't smell good,
Said Kip.
but it tastes great.
Just then, Bird saw something.
There's the hawk!
She cried. The big hawk was swooping toward the tree. Yuck! Something smells bad, said the hawk. The hawk turned around and flew away.
Phew.
Said Kip.
Your acorn gumbo saved us, Kip.
Said Bird.
And you're right. It does taste great.
Bird and Kip. Vroom vroom. Episode 1. Kip the race car driver.
I want to drive a car.
Said Kip.
I don't want to drive a car.
Said Bird.
Cars are too fast.
Vroom, vroom.
Said Kip. Kip zoomed along the branch.
I'm a race car driver.
He said. Kip zoomed up and down the tree trunk.
I'm a fast race car driver.
He said.
And I'm going to win the big race.
Bird was watching Kip.
Be careful, Kip.
She said.
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Said Kip.
You are running very fast.
Said Bird.
You mean I'm driving very fast.
Said Kip.
And you're not being very careful.
Said Bird.
Nobody is faster than me.
Said Kip. Just then, Kip tripped. He went flying into the air.
Oh no!
Cried Kip.
Oh no!
Cried Bird. Crash! Kip smashed right into Bird's nest. Bird and Kip. Vroom vroom. Episode 2. Fixing Bird's nest.
I'm so sorry, Bird.
Said Kip.
I guess it's okay.
Said Bird.
I can fix my nest.
Nope,
Said Kip.
we can fix your nest. Let's look for some new sticks.
Bird and Kip looked for new sticks. They found some in the park. They found some on the boardwalk. Then Kip found a fancy stick, and it was in a car,
Vroom.
said Kip,
What are you doing?
asked Bird,
I'm a race car driver.
said Kip,
Don't be silly.
said Bird,
You're not a race car driver.
Come on, Bird.
said Kip,
Let's go for a ride.
I don't want to ride in a car.
said Bird,
Cars go too fast.
But we're just pretending.
said Kip,
Oh, okay.
said Bird.
Why not?
Bird climbed into the car. Suddenly, it started to move. Bird and Kip. Vroom, vroom. Episode 3. The Car Ride. The car went up the track,
We're driving a car.
said Kip,
I don't think I like this.
said Bird. The car went higher. Then Bird smiled.
Wow! Look at the ocean, Kip.
Said Bird.
And look at those buildings.
But Kip was not looking. Kip was covering his eyes,
I don't think I like this.
he said. Now the car went down fast, said Bird.
Ah!
Cried Kip. The car made sharp turns. It went up and down and up and down. It went very fast,
This is fun.
said Bird.
This is not fun.
Cried Kip. Finally, the car stopped. Kip jumped out.
That was just like flying.
Said Bird,
I'm glad you had fun, Bird.
said Kip.
But I'm never driving a car again. Now let's go home and fix your nest.
Bird and Kip, a new friend. Episode 1. Kip is bored. It was a bright morning in the park. Kip wanted to play with Bird. But she was away looking for worms.
I'm bored.
Said Kip.
I have nobody to play with. Maybe I'll collect acorns.
Said Kip. Kip did that for a little while. Soon he was bored again.
What else can I look for?
Wondered Kip. Kip found a rusty can. He found an old shoe. And he found a slimy banana peel.
Yuck!
Said Kip. Then Kip found something very strange. Kip found a person. But this was not a big person. It was a small person. She was as small as Kip.
Hi,
Said Kip.
my name is Kip. What's your name?
The person didn't answer. She didn't say anything at all. Said Kip.
Why don't you talk?
Bird and Kip, a new friend. Episode 2, The Small Person.
Kip had someone to play with. But she didn't talk,
She's just shy.
thought Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.
Said Kip.
I'll hide first.
Kip ran and hid behind a bench. But the person didn't find him. She didn't even look for him.
Let's play catch instead.
Said Kip. Kip threw an acorn to the person. But the acorn bounced off her head. She didn't even try to catch it. Bird flew over.
What are you doing?
She asked.
I'm playing with my new friend.
Said Kip.
She's a small person.
Hi,
Said Bird.
what's your name?
She doesn't talk.
Said Kip. Bird looked at the person closely.
What does she do?
Asked Bird.
Well, nothing really.
Said Kip.
You know why?
Said Bird.
This isn't a real person. This is a fake person.
Bird and Kip, a new friend. Episode 3, The Fake Person.
Kip looked closely at his new friend.
You're right, Bird.
He said.
This is a fake person. But she's still my friend.
No. She's our friend.
Bird said. Just then, they heard a voice. cried a girl,
Don't worry.
said her mom.
We'll find Ashley.
I wonder who Ashley is.
Said Bird,
It's sad that Ashley is lost.
said Kip,
It sure is.
said Bird,
I hope they find Ashley. Ashley!
cried the girl. The girl came running over.
She's going to take our friend.
Cried Kip.
Kip, wait!
Said Bird,
I found Ashley, Mom!
called the girl.
The fake person is Ashley.
Said Bird.
Oh, well.
Said Kip.
It's sad that we lost our fake friend.
I like real friends better anyway.
Said Bird.
Me too.
Said Kip.
Let's play hide and seek.
Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 1, Going to the Beach.
Bird, I'm going to the beach.
Said Kip.
Wanna come with me?
Of course.
Said Bird.
I love the beach. I can't wait to get there.
Said Bird.
I'm going to play in the water.
I'm not going to play.
Said Kip.
I have work to do.
You have work to do?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said Kip.
I'm going to build a boat.
You're going to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
Are you going sailing?
No,
Said Kip.
we are going sailing.
On the ocean?
Asked Bird.
Yes,
Said Kip.
on the ocean. We're going to have an adventure.
I'm not so sure about this.
Said Bird.
Do you know how to build a boat?
Asked Bird.
I think so.
Said Kip.
How hard could it be?
Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 2, Building a Boat.
Bird and Kip were at the beach.
Look at this litter.
Said Bird.
I should pick it up.
Bird picked up the litter. Kip put his toolbox down. He took out his saw and hammer. And he started building his boat. Kip didn't really know how to build it. But he did the best he could.
I can't wait to go sailing.
He said. Just then a huge wave came in. It crashed into Kip's boat. Splash!
My boat!
cried Kip. Bird was dragging a box up the beach. The wave crashed into Bird. Sploosh! Bird fell into the box.
Squawk!
She cried. Then the box zoomed straight toward Kip.
Look out!
Cried Bird. Crash! Now Kip was in the box too. And the box was headed for the ocean.
Bird and Kip, Sailing Adventure. Episode 3, Lost at Sea.
Bird and Kip were out on the ocean. The box floated on the waves. It bobbed up and down,
We're sailing, Kip!
said Bird.
And I'm having a lot of fun!
But Kip wasn't having fun at all.
We're lost!
He cried.
We'll be lost at sea forever!
Oh, don't be silly, Kip.
Said Bird.
We won't be lost at sea forever. We're not even lost.
I miss my hole,
Cried Kip.
and I miss our tree. I don't like sailing anymore.
Soon the box landed on some rocks.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
Now we're stuck in a faraway land!
No, we aren't.
Said Bird.
We're still home. See? There's the roller coaster.
Said Kip.
You're right! Do you know what this means?
Asked Kip.
We sailed all the way around the world!